Hi everyone, this is me, Alabel. Welcome to my channel. Greetings from Nassau, Bahamas. Shout out to all of my viewers out there. How are you guys doing? For this video, I'm taking you to Fort Charlotte, located in Nassau, Bahamas. Before we go through with this video, and while we are walking, going to the place, let us define or know what a fort is. A fort is a strong or fortified place typically occupied by troops and designed for defense against attacks. Historically, forts served to establish a military presence and protect settlers, evolving from the Latin word fortis, meaning strong. Unlike castles or palaces, forts are specifically built for military purposes and are not residences. They often include defensive structures such as walls and ditches. Therefore, a fort is a military structure built to defend a territory. And here we are, guys, so welcome to Fort Charlotte. Fort Charlotte is a historic military fort located in Nassau. It is an important historical landmark that allows visitors to step back in time and explore a piece of the Bahamas colonial history. Shout out to all of my viewers, and if you are planning to visit Nassau, Bahamas, and if you are a fan of history as well, but you only have limited time to visit in Nassau, make sure you are going to visit this Fort Charlotte. This is a home to towering walls, powerful cannons, and stunning views of the surrounding area, and the fort is one of the best places on the island to learn more about the Bahamas of the past. If you are a tourist disembarking from the cruise ship, this Fort Charlotte is west of downtown Nassau, 1.8 miles away from the city center and located next to Clifford Park. Head down West Bay Street. So most probably it would only take 20 minutes walk from downtown area. This Fort Charlotte is a British colonial era fort built on a hill overlooking the harbor of Nassau, the capital and largest city of the Bahamas. The fort sits a short walk west of downtown Nassau and cruise ship terminal. And the fort was constructed in the late 18th century by British colonial governor Lord Dunmore after the end of American Revolutionary War. The fort has never been used in battle. It is one of the several English forts that are still standing in Nassau, and these forts were to be used as a battle stations to attack the invading Spaniards. Spanning an area of 100 acres, Fort Charlotte, Nassau is one of the most interesting Bahamas forts to visit. Shout out also to all of the history lover like me, of course. Forts have been important in the history of mankind. Great warrior kings spent their riches and energy in building forts, be it the Romans, be it the Pathans, be it the Marathas. The warriors built forts. Conventionally, forts were built to ensure a safe and secure home settlement, to keep the enemy far away, and to ensure having an upper hand during war. Shout out, guys. I hope you're still with me and watching this video. Again, this is Fort Charlotte, located in Nassau, is the largest fort on the island of New Providence. Constructed in 1788 by Lord Dunmore, it was named after Queen Sahariot Charlotte, the wife of King George III. The fort features dungeons, a moat, underground passageways, and 42 cannons, and it covers about 100 acres of land. It was built to protect the harbor and the city from potential invasions and remains a significant historical site today. With my experience of visiting the place, I would say it was fascinating. And historical sites are important, as through historical interpretation, we can give voice to those who no longer have one and resurrect the past. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is me, Alabel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.